Some must know Konkani phrases in Goa. So, firstly, hi and hello friends. Welcome to my new channel konkanilearn.com. Remember, I also have a site under the same name. Therefore, visit my site to learn more. Watch my last video 10 lines on fruits in Konkani. Da olio faravoid. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Today, I have gathered some very important words for discussion, organized according to various situations. By learning these words, travelers will significantly benefit when communicating with Konkani speaking individuals from Goa. These words will prove invaluable in everyday interactions, whether you are seeking directions, ordering food, or engaging in friendly conversations. Situation 1. Let's say you are visiting somebody's home in Goa. In this case, you can use below words to discuss. Remember, we are using the plural sentences or words. First one, Tumi koshi asat. Tumi koshi asat, meaning how are you all? Second, Ami bori asat. Ami bori asat, meaning we are fine. Eyat bithor. Eyat bithor, meaning come inside. Eyat bosat. Eyat bosat, meaning come sit. Burgi koshi asat. Burgi koshi asat, how are the children? Burgi asat bori. Burgi asat bori, the children are fine. Tuji burgi koshi asat. Tuji burgi koshi asat, how are your children? Muji burgi asat bori. Muji burgi asat bori, my children are fine. Illishi chow korun adta tumka. Illishi chow korun adta tumka, meaning I will bring little tea for you all. Na, ami atant chow pion island. Na, ami atant chow pion island, meaning no, we just had tea and came. 11. Borentor anik kite khobor. Borentor anik kite khobor, meaning okay then, what other news? Bore disle tumi amger aili munon. Bore disle tumi amger aili munon, meaning felt nice because y'all came to our place. 13th one. Borentor ami vetat ata. Borentor ami vetat ata, meaning okay then, we are going now. 14th and the last one. Deo bore koru tumka. Deo bore koru tumka, meaning thank you, you all. Situation 2. Let's say you are walking on the streets and want to strike a conversation with someone or you need help. This is very useful for travelers as it can sometimes be life-saving. So the first one, hello, koso asa. Hello, koso asa, meaning how are you? Au boro asa. Au boro asa, meaning I am fine. Inga san modgowa kitle pois astole. Inga san modgowa kitle pois astole, meaning from here how far is Madgaon? Fourth one, bus stand asa inga. Bus stand asa inga, meaning is there a bus stand? Fifth one, oi matzo fude was mukar bus stand distole. Oi matzo fude was mukar bus stand distole, meaning yes, little in the front as you go you'll find a bus stand. Sixth one, bore deu bore korun tuka. Bore deu bore koru tuka. Okay, thank you. Situation 3. Referring to everyday items found in Konkani households or in Goan households. Objects referred to in Konkani. Mez, table. Mez, table. Kodel, kodel, chair. Cop, cup. Cop, cup. Boshi, boshi, plate. Colher, spoon. Colher, spoon. Suri, knife. Suri, knife. Andi, vessel. Andi, vessel. Udok, water. Udok, water. Chow, tea. Chow, tea. Dudh, milk. Dudh, milk. Mas, meat. Mas, meat. Nuste, nuste, fish. So, these were few phrases or situations based words. I will come up with lots more. Therefore, subscribe to my new channel so that I get more motivation to create and upload videos on daily basis. Chal then, take care. Deu bore koru. Thank you very much. Bye bye.